Tesla officially announced that it had commenced mass production of the Optimus Gen 3 at its Fremont factory in California, with the target for the third-generation Optimus set below $20,000. At the hardware level, the most significant breakthrough of Optimus Gen 3 lies in its hand design, which features 22 degrees of freedom. By relocating the heavier actuators from the hand to the forearm and employing a sophisticated tendon-driven system, it achieves dexterous movements comparable to the 27 degrees of freedom of the human hand. The hand's precision reaches 0.08 millimeters, enabling it to perform delicate operations such as gently gripping an egg without breaking it, tying shoelaces, and sorting laundry without damaging items. At the intelligence level, the Optimus Gen 3 is equipped with Tesla's full self-driving V15, redesigned specifically for embodied intelligence. The robot constructs a real-time, three-dimensional map of its surrounding environment through a vision system comprising 8 cameras, processing this information via an end-to-end neural network. Instead of relying on rigid, hard-coded instructions, the system acquires skills through a sophisticated sim-to-real training pipeline and imitation learning based on human video data. This process allows it to simulate actions millions of times within a virtual environment, eventually enabling the direct and seamless transfer of those mastered skills into the physical world. Elon Musk revealed that Optimus 3 will begin production this summer and is expected to enter a high-volume production phase next year.